Let's write and balance a chemical equation for the burning of sulfur. Sulfur is the symbol S, and it's a solid under normal conditions. And when it says burns, that means oxygen is present. And it does tell us that, but we don't have to tell you that for you to know that. Oxygen is one of the diatomic elements we want you to memorize, and that's a gas. That's going to produce sulfur dioxide. That's SO2. That's also a gas. Now, on a test, if it's not something we expect you to know, we would specify that sulfur dioxide is a gas and sulfur is a solid. We don't have to do that for things that are like metals, and unless it's like mercury. One thing worth noting is that I didn't get this 2 in sulfur dioxide from the 2 subscript for oxygen. That's a common mistake students make, is they just transfer the subscripts from the reactants to the products. So I got the subscript from the name of the formula. And if it's an ionic compound, then you would use its charges to determine the ratio of the formula unit. So it turns out this is already balanced, and this is known as a combination reaction, where you're combining 2 elements and you're getting a compound. Or you can also classify it as a combustion reaction, because it's a reaction that involves oxygen burning and produces energy. Now, if you knew that sulfur was S8 under normal conditions, then you would have to balance it. But I'm pretty sure the textbook is looking for this as to be the answer.